There's a big Leonard Cohen over there. Looks tiny on the screen. Did you know Leonard Cohen was from Montreal?
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's very handmaiden's tale, though. It's very handmaiden's tale.
Having fun?
All the leaves on the ground are so pretty.
Yeah.
Like they're almost pink, just like the pink of the statue.
It's nice when nature color coordinates.
Yeah. Speaking of color coordinate, look at your outfit, buddy. Now that right there is some coordinature.
Is it just me, or does that thing have some like testicles hanging off?
Oh, no, you're definitely right.
Statue testicles.
Yes.
This is when I realized how long it's been since we traveled.
Out of shape.
Yeah, we walk everywhere, but not when we're not traveling.
Look at these stairs, though.
Yeah. All we've done is walk up a steep street and like, yeah, I'm feeling it. They're falling.
It's fall, you know?
Ah, not just a clever name.
We're a little bit behind this at home. Yeah, I'm embarrassed how out of shape I am.
Yeah, you're telling me.
It's too warm for this.
It's funny because it's cold.
It's like 8 degrees. All the leaves fluttering and on the birch trees. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. Oh, you got attacked by a leaf.
It happens. Vicious leaf attack.
That is worth the view, eh?
Yeah.
It was a bit of a tough hike, but nothing compared to like when we've climbed up Fashimianari. That was a bit more intense, I think. And when we climbed up Elephant Mountain in Taipei,
I think our hard time is solely reflective of the fact that we do have a time crunch to get out of here.
Yeah, it's true.
And also we're more out of shape than we've been on any other trip.
Where else have we climbed mountains? I guess we climbed the snowy mountain in Nagano.
Or haven't climbed mountains.
That's true. We were just talking to Gabby last night and she's talking about, you know, climb a mountain or two a day when you travel with you guys. It's true. So if you travel with us.
She didn't say climb though. What'd she say? She walked a mountain?
Walked a mountain, yeah.
I forget. It was a different
Conquered a mountain, yeah. So if you want to travel with us, you better be prepared to climb a mountain. I guess Beth can probably vouch for that when we climbed in Kuala Lumpur. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
100 times worth it.
Tell me about a flag. Yeah.
The flag of Montreal. Up in the top corner there.
Yeah.
Probably gonna be pretty windy. The top corner has the fleur-de-lis, and there's the rose for the British, and then thistle for the Scottish, and the shamrock for the Irish.
Yeah.
Kind of telling you how this city is made up. A bunch of cultures.
Cool.
Hey Phil, I think I see Taipei 101 over there.
Oh.
You gonna try your bagel?
Yeah, that's
Montreal is known for its bagels. And capers on top. C'est bon? C'est bon? C'est bon?